Hello everyone and welcome you all to another chapter of the Canva tutorial. So now we are on our chapter number 10 and here I'll be telling you guys about the color combinations which you can use. Okay, so if you're creating a design or any kind of a graphic, what all color you can use to make it look good. Okay, because most of the time the if the color is not that great, our picture it won't look nice, okay, or our graphic whatever we are creating. And also in text we should understand that what color goes in with what color. So here we'll be learning about all of this in this particular class. So let's not waste time and let's get started with this particular chapter here. So as you can see right now, I am here in my homepage or in my workspace. Okay. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'll come here to the elements option and I'll be taking few shapes here. Okay. So I'll take this shape and I will also open this one and maybe I will select this from here. Okay. So now we'll check about the color combination. Okay. So what color basically goes with what or which one? We'll look into all of that here in this particular class. So for that, let me start it with the red color. So I'll select this one and I will put this one a red color here. Okay. So I will just select this or select this particular box here and I will select the color as red. So I have selected this one and on red color what I'm going to do is if I try to write here with a green, okay, suppose I do have a grass green or any kind of green, so I will try to do that. I'll again come to my text here and right here I will type it with green. Okay, so I'll write hello. I'll just increase the text size from here. Okay, so yeah, this much is fine. So red with black it goes quite well. As you guys can see, this is basically a good combination. But here, instead of this, if I come here and if I change my text to this color. Suppose if I change my text to green, it doesn't look that great. And I don't like it basically. Okay. And if I use any blue color as well, it also won't look good. So if I come here and if I select this blue, or I'll come back, I have selected this text and I will select a color from here. I will select the blue color or the blue color from here. Okay, so this combination with this one looks quite good. Okay, and now let me take a blue box from here. Okay, so I'll come here and I will take this blue box and now I want to check the color combination. So from here basically I will select this layer or I'll click on control and here I want to change the color as well. Okay, so I have selected this, come to the font text color, and now here if I do put a red color, okay, so suppose I want to check it in red, so this color combination is not good as well. Okay, so from here, and if I also take a orange color, it also won't look that great. Okay, so with blue, what all color we can use? Okay, so I'm only telling you guys about text. You guys, I'll be showing you guys about the graphic after this. So here, if I do it with yellow, so in blue, the yellow looks quite good. Okay, it looks quite nice. So we can use all this color from here. And now let's try to see it in black. Okay, so I'll change the shape color to black. And inside black, the yellow looks quite good. And if I use the red as well, okay, suppose I will select a red color here. Okay, so inside black, the red also looks good. And if I come here and if I choose a violet color, okay, so here magenta, pink, so most of this color will look good here with this purple, cobalt, okay. But if I choose this particular set of color, this doesn't go that well with the black color. Okay, so we should refrain this from using. And now let's see for a white box here. Okay, I'll be creating a white box now. And inside a white box, which color goes well with this one? Okay, so now if I take a red color here for my fonts, the red goes quite well, so I will choose here and I will take a red color. So the red one goes quite well with the white background. Then also if I use, so here you guys can see that I do have this one. So this color combination goes quite well. Okay, but here if I just do the vice versa, in that case that will also look good. But suppose if I do have a red background, okay, suppose I will come here and I will select a red background here, okay, and I want my text to be in black, okay, so I'll come here and I want my text color to be in black. So in that case, this text doesn't look that great. Okay, so here I do have my text color. Okay, I will select this, come here and choose a black color. So this one doesn't look that appealing. Okay, so here I'll be showing you guys some of the worst color combination which you just should not use and refrain it from using. So from here, you guys can see orange and yellow. So this color combination is not good at all. And here you guys can see these are few of the color uh, palettes which you guys should refrain yourself from using. Okay, so this colors doesn't go that well altogether. So these are few of the color combinations which doesn't look good or professional. Okay, so here you guys can see red in the violet or the purple inside the red. This is not also a good combination, and green and yellow also is not a good combination as well. Okay, and here you can see the neon color combination. Okay, so you guys should refrain yourself from using these particular colors when you're doing any type of designing in your text. So this is for text. So here you can look at this particular thing here, and the color combination here is not good. So it doesn't look that great. Okay, so there is nothing wrong with the font or anything as such, but the thing is that this doesn't go quite well with uh the color, okay, and it doesn't look that professional. So whenever we're making any kind of graphic designing, in that case we need to make sure that my color is on point, that in one look it looks quite great. Okay, so to give out some professional look to my graphic here, I'll be telling you guys about one website which you guys can always recommend, which is the color gradient. Color gradient. Okay, so from here, basically, you guys will be able to see different color combinations. Okay, so if I come to all, and here you guys can see I do have a website here. Okay, so I will search the color gradient, and from here I will go to this one, and here you guys can see the combination of colors here. Okay, so here you can see all these colors and choose this one and also see how this basically looks. Okay, so this is one app or this is one website from where you guys can actually see the color combination. Does it go well with any of this? And you guys can copy this one and paste it in our Canva and look. Okay, and let's see another website which is known as Gradient. Okay, and if I search Gradient here, you can see I do have this particular website. Okay, so here you guys can check out different colors, and also you can get access to different type of coloring things or color combinations as well. So these are few of the color combinations which you guys can check out and also use it in your work. Okay, but how you're going to use that? You guys need to come here, or you just need to keep this one here. And once you keep your mouse here, you guys can click on this, and you guys can basically copy the color code and paste it, come in Canva and paste that particular in your element section or in your color place. Suppose if I come here, if I come here, okay, and right now I will just paste this one, and here you can see I have got that particular set of color here in my panel. Okay, so this is how you guys can get some color combinations. So I hope you guys have understood this part. Now let's try to understand the different section here. Okay, so now I will just select this one and I'll delete, and I will select this layer and I'll delete this layer as well. So I do have this particular white page again. So here now what I'll do is I will come to the element section and I'll take this particular color wheel. Okay. So while we're making any kind of designing, or you're making any logo or anything as such, in that case, sometimes you might be confused that what color you should basically use. Okay. So now in that case, if you are making or you want to use three colors, okay? So in that case, what I basically do is I will select a triangle and I'll just drop that triangle here, okay? And I will just keep this one and keep it in white color. So here I will just bring my uh, triangle in the exact center. Okay, I will bring this one in the exact center. And now here you can see I do have all my ends here. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to focus on the ends. Okay, so here you can see I do have my ends in yellow, pink, and the sky blue color. So basically I can work or I can take all these three color or the shades from here and I can use it in my project. Okay. So here are this, and now if I just rotate this one as well, suppose if I want to rotate this one, if I just come here somewhere and if I just rotate this, I can rotate this and see. Okay. So now for this one, suppose I will come here, and now this three color combination will look good if I'm using only three colors in any of my graphic. So here you guys can see, I'll just zoom out. Okay. So I can use this color shade here, and if I'm rotating here, you can see I will just bring this here somewhere in the middle. So this one violet, this orange, and also this light green color will look good if I am making. So this is how I can actually rotate and check if I'm using three colors. I can check the color combinations from here. Okay. And if I'm using four colors in one particular thing, suppose I'll bring this one here and I will just delete this particular layer. Okay, so I will use this layer and I'll delete this, or I'll delete this one and bring this color palette here in the middle. Okay, in that case, now if I want to take four or five colors, so I'll take this pentagon and now I can just put it in the center. Okay, so here you can see once I put in the center, I need to concentrate on the edges here. Okay, so red, this particular color, and this mid blue tone, and this light green, and also this particular green will look good if I'm using five colors. So this is how you guys can actually understand which all colors you should use and which all colors you should not use. Okay, so you can basically try all of this, because to create a visually appealing design, the color is quite important. Okay, so make sure of that, and hope you guys have understood this particular class here, and hope to see you all in the next class. Till then, take care and goodbye everyone.